Hello, in this lesson I will show you how to generate a source list using transaction ME05, which is used to generate source list for a material or a range of materials instead of doing this process manually. So let's begin first by going to logistics, go to materials management, then go to purchasing, go to master data, click on source list, go and click on follow-on functions. We have transaction ME05 generate, so let's go ahead and double click on that. The generate source list screen is displayed. The selection screen allows the generation of a source list based on the selection of material range and a plant range. You have also a selection here to include, exclude, or only allow outline agreement. The preferred selection is to include all materials or vendors. The next one is, or the other selection fields are similar to those in transaction ME01. Previous lesson, maintain source list. ME01 is for maintaining a source list, including the validity dates and MRP relevance. You have also an option to delete all existing source list records or allow them to remain. The last thing I would like to mention here that there is a test run indicator to allow the user to run the program without actually generating the source list. So I'm gonna go here and set this indicator, and I would really recommend running this test with the indicator set to a test run, because changes in the selection criteria are most of the time required. Let's go ahead and select the material field and type material range of 1500 up to 510 and to 1500 710, and the plant we're gonna try 1000 and to 3200. Go ahead now and click on execute. From the list, select this material line and press on material. The material master record is displayed, and only to view, the fields on the screen cannot be modified. Let's go back and click on this icon. Keep the line selected and click on vendor. Again, the vendor master record is displayed and cannot be modified. Click on the back icon. Let's select this line and go to environment, click on source list. Let's go ahead and click on the back icon. The generated source list can also be printed from here, and it also can be exported to another format like Excel, for example. I will also show you how to generate this source list using another transaction by following the same path on the SAP menu. So let's exit and go back to the SAP menu. Let's go first to logistics, materials management, purchasing, go to master data, go to source list. Instead of clicking on follow-on functions, I will go and click on list displays. You have another transaction by material. It's ME0M by material. So let's go ahead and double click on this transaction. The generate source list screen is displayed. The selection screen allows the generation of a source list based on the selection of a material or or a range of material and a plant range. So let's first enter plant, let's say 3000 to or up to 3100, and let's go ahead and execute. Source list for material. So let's just go and scroll down, scroll a little bit up and select this material or this vendor. Select the first line, press on material. The material master record is displayed. As we said earlier, this option is only to view, and fields cannot be modified on the screen. So let's go back, click on the back icon. Let's go ahead and select this line, this material, and click on the source list icon. The maintain source list is displayed, and if you notice, the fields are not in the view mode anymore. The fields can be changed. So let's go and click on the back icon. Okay. Click again on the back icon. You have just learned how to generate a source list. Let's go ahead and review the quiz questions to find out how much you have learned from this lesson. And if you have any problem, please go back and review the material one more time.